Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about problem solving with trigonometry. We're in chapter 7, section E, and we're just going to start with example 8. It says a tree casts a shadow of 12.4 meters when the angle of elevation to the sun is 52 degrees. Find the height of the tree. Alright, so we have a tree. It's right here, and casts a shadow that's 12.4 meters, and then to the height of the tree it's 52 degrees. And ultimately we want to know how tall the tree is. So we're going to make a couple of assumptions. We're going to assume that the tree is growing at a 90-degree angle, so this really just becomes a triangle, a 90-degree triangle that's 12.4 h and 52 degrees. And if we do SOHCAHTOA, we have the opposite and the adjacent, so we're going to be using a tangent. So tangent of 52 equals opposite over adjacent, and we do just a little bit of algebra. We do 12.4, 12.4, and we type this in to our calculator. So we have 12.4 tangent 52, enter. So that's 15.87, they round it to the 9, 15.9 meters high. Okay, moving on to example 9. It says a builder has designed the roof structure illustrated. Find the pitch of this roof. Okay, so I'll do my best to recreate this picture. So it says this is 8.7 meters. It says that that's the same. And then we go like this. It says that this is 1 meter. This part is 13 meters. And this is also 1 meter. Okay. So one thing, the first thing, we know that this is 15 meters, like the distance from here to here, or the distance from here to here. Now if we drop this down, because it's isosceles, it's a right triangle, it's going to cut this side in half, and so this side is going to be 7.5 meters. And when we're talking about the pitch of the roof, we're talking about this angle right here. So if I pull this out of the diagram, it just becomes a right triangle, 7.5 meters, theta, and then 8.7 meters for our hypotenuse. So we look at SOHCAHTOA. So relative to this angle, we have the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So it's a cosine. Whoa. So we have cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So to do the algebra to get to our theta, we have to do a inverse cosine. So these cancel. Theta equals inverse cosine 7.5 over 8.7. We go to our calculator. We say second cosine to bring up the inverse cosine. And then we do 7.5 divided by 8.7. And we end up with 30.5. And so we just say the pitch of the roof is approximately 30.5. Now we're going to move on to example 10. It says a rectangular prism